Most people think their ads fail because of the algorithm, or they're being blocked by whatever platform they're trying to use, or maybe they think they've got bad creative. But when you are a business owner and you're trying to build income, or if you're a parent and you're trying to build a side income off a hobby that you want to turn into a business, and you decide to run ads just because you have a Facebook account, you don't have the budget to test and fail for months. We're not in that business. You don't get in a business to waste money. And here's the truth. If you're running it through ChatGPT and actually trying to write good copy, they're probably fine. But your landing page is a leaky bucket. When we evaluate landing pages for people, the bounce rate is over 70%. And at that point, you're just donating money to Mark Zuckerberg. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a 3-step process that I call my pre-flight audit. Before you ever run an ad, you need to make sure you check these boxes. We use SEMrush to audit things like your keyword, your AI search, things like your bounce rate, to make sure that we have all the data, and you're going to do the exact same. And we're going to create a lovable relationship with your lead before they even see your offer. When a customer comes into your virtual store, they walk into that virtual business, they have zero patience after they click an ad. They want instant gratification. If your page takes too long to load, or it seems confusing, or if they jump in there and they have too many choices, they're out of there, they bounce. And before you ever spend a single dollar, like I said, you have to head over to Appify, go into the SEMrush actor, and run an audit to see your technical health. Is your virtual landing space healthy enough to accept people? Are you ranking for the right content? Are you attracting window shoppers versus actual buyers? You have to prep your space for the conversions to actually work. You have to know if it's working or not. Head over to Appify and you run the SEMrush actor. You will be able to find out exactly what you need to make sure you have a healthy virtual space. Now, when they get in there, you have to start building rapport quick. People don't build rapport. They think they're going to click the ad, they're going to jump over, they're going to book, and they're just going to hand you over the money. But people buy from people, especially in AI automation. And listen, I love AI automation because it buys back my time. But in this world we live in today, people are fearful of losing their data and feel like they're talking to a robot. And this is where you use Story Bubbles. Now, Story Bubbles is a product that we created that builds rapport within 30 seconds of somebody jumping on your page. They click a bubble that's at the top of your banner, and they're conditioned to click already thanks to the social media platforms that already use this, and they build a rapport with you quickly. As a human, you get to introduce yourself. Talk about why you started business. Talk about the relationship that you want to build with them, and nurture them along the way to actually lead them to book. So by the time they scroll down, they feel very comfortable and confident booking on your page. And this is how we decrease, turn down, diminish the bounce rate. We're seeing data that suggests a greater than 70% bounce rate go all the way down to 15%, just because people buy from people. And when you do that, people are going to walk into your space, into your virtual store, and say, thank you. Now listen, if your landing page isn't ready, don't run an ad. It's never going to work, period. Even if you have the best copywriter, even if David Ogilvy walked into your shop himself, fix your page first. Fix the bounce rate. Build a relationship, and then worry about the traffic. Now, once your page is optimized, you still shouldn't turn on the ads yet. There is one battle test that you need to run with your warm market to make sure your offer actually makes sense. If you listen to an offer guru, Myron Golden, talk about offers, he talks about this all the time. People can't be confused. Your offer has to be solid. You have to provide a solution instead of just saying, you're going to get $3 per unit for Botox. When it's that cheap, people think you're injecting water into them. It doesn't work. It doesn't bring people in. I'm going to break down that exact framework, and I call it my warm outreach framework. And it's the strategy that I'm going to break down in part 2 of this series. Click the video right here, right now to watch it and save yourself $500 in wasted ad spend. Now listen, if you want to connect with me, you want to bounce ideas off me, I open up my calendar 1 hour per day via Telegram. My link is in the description below. Check out the next video where I'm going to teach you how to reach out to your warm market and battle test your offer. I'll see you there. Cheers.